Whether you're new to Talantula or picking this up again, you're in the right place. In this episode, we will cover how to create a new demand. Let's get started. Creating new hiring demand in Talantula is fast and simple. From your dashboard, go straight to demands. Here is where all your open roles live, simple, visible, and actionable. Click on Create New Demand. Add the key details for your role. Demand name, workflow process, application process, and select Email Templates group. Alternatively, you can copy from an existing demand. Keep it simple, you can always refine later. You can update your stakeholders. Select channels, upload job description and requirements, and add additional details like profile, business unit, and job type. Once ready, click Save. Your demand is now live and ready to start attracting candidates immediately. That's it, no delays, no complexity, just a faster way to create demand and start hiring with Talantula. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful videos and new feature announcements.